Welcome back to Stuff This Week, everybody. Week 2, that's right, week 2, Kelvin.
Yep, exactly.
I'm Dale, by the way.
I'm Kelvin.
And today we're gonna, let's just kick things off with all the launches we had the past week.
Yep, there's a lot of them. So we got the Realme launching their Note 7 and
right.
The regular 7. Oppo with their S11 Pro, with also Realme by Oppo as well for the Realme 3.
Yeah.
That's a lot of phones. Them Chinese phones.
All them Chinese phones.
And what else we got, Dale?
We also got a whole bunch of laptops. We got the Predator Triton 500 series.
Yes, we did.
Even new Apple products. We got new iMac, iPad Air, iPad Mini, all with pencil support. Even new AirPods. Like Apple just kind of sneakily launch all these things just out of nowhere.
Yeah, exactly. I only heard about them yesterday. Like,
Like,
cool.
really? What?
Cool.
Oh, okay.
Well, for camera news, there's the new Leica Q2, which is worth around 20K.
Whew.
Yeah,
Sounds fun. Sounds
fun. Can't wait to not buy that.
Yes, exactly. So the biggest announcement out of GDC that happened last week was the announcement of the Google Stadia Arcadia.
Stadia, okay, yeah.
All right, so it's a whole new Google gaming platform. Not really a console per se, but think of it as like another Steam, another Epic Games launcher. But the main draw here is that you can stream games. So it's a game streaming thing. You don't download the games, you're just streaming it across the internet. So because of that, you can use any device to access the games on the Stadia. So you could use a Chromebook, you can use a laptop, a desktop, the Chromecast, smart TVs, and even your smartphone.
Cool.
Yep.
So does that mean it's an end to gaming devices?
Well, yes and no. I guess the main caveat here is internet connection. If you don't have a good enough speed, even though Google kind of promises that, oh no, even with slow internet speed it'll be fine, like, you know that's not the case.
Yeah, well, obviously not.
Yeah. Another caveat is that you're gonna need the controller. So the controller is basically, it looks like an Xbox controller, let's be real.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it just has like 2 extra buttons for like sharing.
And the Google button?
Google button,
Yeah.
something like that. It's like it's not Alexa, what's it called?
Google Assistant.
No, Google Assistant. They don't have a fancy name for it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, that's about it. So if you're using it on your smart TV or your Chromecast, you're gonna need a controller. If you're using it on your PC or your laptop, you can use any controller you want, but yeah.
So in other gaming news, there's new indie games, Nindies games, more like, coming to the Nintendo Switch.
Yep.
So Dale, please take it away.
Right, so yeah, they had a whole direct, a whole Nindies direct. It was the longest one they had. It was like half an hour. The biggest news was that Cuphead, a once Microsoft exclusive game, is coming to the Nintendo Switch with Xbox Live support. So, you know, there was all those rumors that Game Pass is coming or they're bringing like Microsoft games to the Switch. So this is our first taste of it.
Yep. So it is going to be true then that we're going to be having Xbox Game Pass on Switch?
We're not sure yet, but we'll see. But so far, Cuphead, you can buy it, and any achievements you get, you'll get it onto your Xbox Live account.
Okay.
Because the Switch doesn't have an achievement system.
Right.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. Next we have Crypt of the Necro Dancer.
Which is one I'm excited for.
That's I'm very excited for.
Yeah. The first one was, well, the original, more like.
The original, yeah.
Very fun, obviously. So what about it?
So it is coming to the Switch, but it's coming with exclusive DLC. It's called Cadence of Hyrule. So what that means is you'll have Link and Zelda in the game as special characters with their own campaign, I think.
Oh, their own campaign?
Yeah, a whole DLC campaign for it. So that's pretty cool. So because of that, there's really no limits to what a Nintendo indie collaboration will go for, you know, like anything goes now. Yeah, really, really cool.
So in entertainment news, there's a new Stranger Things trailer for season 3. Yeah.
And with that, there's also going to be a new game for it.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So it will come out at the same time as season 3 is launched globally. So, you know, we'll have a new season, we have a new game as well. So it's pretty awesome.
And in other trailers that we don't need, there's the Toy Story 4 trailer.
Toy Story 4.
Yeah. They made a spork.
They made a sport, yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of disturbing because you make stuff and they come alive, right?
Kind of Frankenstein situation here.
Yeah. And also, Woody has to fight like these ventriloquist dummies.
Oh yeah.
They're like they walk like this, like yeah.
and they're like, stay, stay. On other things that we don't need, it's the banning of games. So we're talking about PUBG here.
Yep.
So recently, after the New Zealand shooting, that terrible news, the Mufti of Negeri Sembilan said that the government should consider banning the game as it had a negative impact on children and youth.
So yeah, they considered banning the game. So as always, the Minister of Sports and Youth and Sports?
Youth and sports.
The Minister of Youth and Sports, Syed Saddiq, said even when there was no PUBG, violence still occurred. So let's not be quick to blame it on one thing, which is a very eloquent response. I like that. I think he made a great response. There's always violence all around. You can't just blame it on video games. It's all scapegoating. They're not gonna ban anything. I mean, it's just PUBG, dude.
Yeah, it's just PUBG.
I mean, who plays that anyway?
People do, because apparently tomorrow on the TMT Roadshow, that's going on the past week actually, is having a PUBG tournament, at Mid Valley Center Court. And the next day they're also having a Mobile Legends tournament. So, violence all around.
Violence all around.
Yeah.
Digital violence, that is.
Yeah.
How come Mobile Legends isn't considered to be banned?
Because it's kind of fantasy, I guess. There's no guns.
So like elven people and dragons killing each other is fine.
Do they have elven people?
So yeah, if you're into that sort of thing, go to Mid Valley Center Court.
Center Court.
Mid Valley Center Court, you know where it is. It's right in the middle where everything is. Last week they had a T-Live kind of installation, so this time they're just gonna do video games.
Yep.
So that was all the stuff this week. If you want more of the news of the week, do
subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel, and also follow our Facebook page for all our latest updates. We got videos, we got news, and check out our website. Link in the description.
All right, and we'll see you guys next week. So get stuffed, everybody.
Stuff.
All right.
See ya.